Hey dolls, so this is part 2 of showing you my home for autumn 2024. Today, I showed you the kitchen yesterday, so today I'm going to be showing you the living room. So grab your coffee, grab your tea, make yourself comfortable, get a blanket, get cozy, grab a snack, and let's get this video started. Let's go dolls.
That is my dream. I be is what you make it. Always try to give.
So I kept the same theme that I have in the kitchen kind of going on in the living room. You're about to see. So without further ado, let's look at my living room. Let's go. Okay, so you've seen the kitchen. Now it's time to show you my living room. And this is my living room. So where do we start? I am just like obsessed. I keep saying that word, like here is the living room. This is how I decided to go for fall. Where do we start? We're going to start on the coffee table. So can we just say I love this view? Let's just get started there. Like this view just gives me cozy vibes. It just is everything. Let's start on the coffee table. I am obsessed with this whole design that I did here. I wanted to just give pumpkin season. I wanted to do the leaves. I want to continue the leaves that we have in the kitchen and have it in the living room as well. So the coffee table, let's start here. I got these 2 big pumpkins from Walmart. I spray painted them gold because, you know, we have to have the gold theme here because as you can see, it's just gold and pink all throughout my apartment. This year, I wanted to have a little bit of creams in there. That's why I got these and I love them. They've got that velvet texture. You know, I love my velvet. So it's like a flocked pumpkin. And then I added this one from like 2 years ago. I did this myself, a DIY. This is a pumpkin from Dollar Tree and I just added those pearls on there, spray painted the stem gold. So those are the 3 pumpkins. I love them like that. I was going to have like a lot of pumpkins on here, but I decided to just do like 3 stacked next to each other. And I love that height difference. It's just gorgeous to me. And if you look down below, my coffee table books that are normally on top of here, I just had to put them down below because it just makes no sense having them on here. I just want all the focus on the pumpkins. So they've gone down there. Okay, so let's talk about this. So as you can see, I have the garland and I just wanted to do something different. So I wrapped the garland around the coffee table, even down at the bottom. And I just think it just gives like, it just gives such a, like, I love it. I don't know how to describe it. Like, as you can see, I've moved back so you can like really look at it. It just gives like fall without being obnoxious. Like, I just love that little touch. I've never seen anybody do this before. I was like, let me do something different. And I love that. I love how it's just kind of like, you see that? So I just like taped it around, like, it's just easy to play with. Like you can do anything you want with garland. There's no rules to it. So I wanted those leaves in there. And if you look closely, I'm going to come up close. It goes in the table. Like look at this. So it's there, like just sitting there. I can take that pumpkin off and it just looks, you see that? It's just gorgeous. Like if I put a candle there, it would look so gorgeous. I love it. I love how it just is giving you fall without being loud. Like I love those little hints. So when you move back, it just looks so gorgeous. I'm obsessed. I just love it. I'm going to keep saying I'm obsessed because I literally am. So you see in the coffee table behind are the pillows. I love every pillow that is on here. I love these ones here, the Sherpa ones. They are from Walmart and I just love them. Like they just make the sofa look really cozy. And then I love how they look against like, it just looks nice. I love it. And I love, I always pull these out every year. So I've got these like beaded ones. They're from Home Goods. I've never seen them since. So I've like had it for years. And then this one here, this gold beaded one. It's pink and gold. Everything just goes so well together. So those are the pillows. And then on this side, we have this one here, also from Home Goods. And it's like beaded as well. It's got lace on it. Also gold stem. So that is how all of the pillows look. And I just love the arrangement. And I love when you step back, it's just the view of it. Like it just, my whole apartment looks so cozy in here. Like I just love it. This is, as I said with the kitchen, this is my favorite like decor for fall. Like this is like the best. I don't think I could top this. Maybe, no, let me never say never. Like every year is different. But I love, love, love this view. It's just so gorgeous. And I love how simple the coffee table is, but then also like this design. It's just my favorite part. So it's just giving cozy vibes. It's very tricky to decorate when you have a bright pink Barbie sofa. So I always find ways to do it, and we always do it. So that's that. At the end, I'm going to like show you how it looks like from behind the couch and looking that way. So I'm going to stand that way and show you how it looks like on that side. And then you'll get a view of the kitchen. It just, everything ties in so, so perfectly. So we're going to look at this side. So in my mirror, as you can see, I carried on that same theme of the garland leaves, the fall autumn leaves, and I love it. And I just like put a little bit, as you can see on the mirror, and it just looks so, so, so gorgeous. I love it. I was going to go all the way down, but I was like, let me just leave it. Like that little touch is gorgeous. Like when you move back, it just looks so cute. So I did that, and basically I just like cut pieces up and just like taped it to the mirror, and I just think it's okay like that. Do you think I should go more or leave it? I think it's okay. So at the bottom, let's look at the bottom. Every year I do this. So as you can see, I always have like in this gold basket, I have like a fall pillow or Christmas pillow, like whatever the season, I have a little pillow sitting there with the blanket. And I love that. This one's like the pearl pumpkin. I didn't know what to do with this pillow. And I was like, let's just throw it in there. And I love that little detail. It looks really cute in the corner. It's so pretty. Just had to show you that. And also it hides all of the ugly TV wires or the internet cables. It hides it because behind this is the internet cables, and I don't like people seeing that. It just looks ugly. So I love when I can like put distractions, if that makes sense. So the table above there, this is like my entryway table that's in the living room now. You dolls told me to leave it there, so let me show you. So this little table, I never know what to really do with it. So it's my entryway table, and I move it around a lot. And right now it's in the living room, and I have a real pumpkin. I have my fall candles and acorns, and it's just giving plain. I never know what to do with it, but I just like, if it's going to be in the living room showing, I might as well just add some fall details. But I never really care for this little corner. It's just like where I put my candles. So I have my, you know, Bath and Body Works candle there. It's just there. I want my TV to be up there or some pictures. Like, I don't know, this corner's ugly to me. So I did promise I'll show you from this angle. This is how my whole living room and literally the kitchen as well look like. It is just so gorgeous. Like, how gorgeous is this? And just looking at the view from outside. So if you're sitting here, you have this gorgeous, gorgeous view of the balcony. You have the dining room. It is just such a cozy fall feeling. You got the candle peeking through. I love everything about this like fall, like how everything came out. It's just cozy. I'm never going to stop saying that word. It's cozy. So I feel like I can finally like fully start full content now that I've shown you the living room, the dining. Oh wait, we have the coffee bar. Stay tuned. I'm going to be showing the coffee bar at the end of the week. So stay tuned for that. You don't want to miss it. It's gorgeous. Like the details in there are amazing. Stay tuned for that. But yeah, I feel like I can finally start filming full content. I have a lot to show you, a lot to like take you dolls with me. So if you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe. You're not gonna want to miss it. And oh my God, Christmas content is coming coming up soon. At the end of every video, we have a secret emoji. We comment. It shows me who has watched the video to this point of the video at the very end. So because it's an autumn fall video, we're going to do the pumpkin emoji, the pumpkin pie emoji, and a bow, the pink bow. So comment all of that in the comment section down below. The pumpkin emoji, the pumpkin pie emoji, and the pink bow. So thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. Let me know what you enjoyed about this video. What was your favorite part? What do you like in the kitchen? What do you like in my living room? Like, let me know in the comment section down below, like, what item do you like the most? I love knowing. Thank you so much for watching, dolls. I love you with all my heart. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here, because you don't want to miss the coffee bar tour that I'm going to show you, and much more content coming up, like a lot of cozy fall content now we can fully start. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much. As I said, share this video, share it everywhere, like, give this video a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget that, it helps my channel out so much. Subscribe, and thank you so much for watching and spending a cozy day with me, dolls. I enjoyed it. That's it, we're done. Thank you so much. I love you, dolls. Have an amazing day or evening, whatever time you're watching this video. Smooches. Bye, dolls.